Hey guys, it's Greg Osborne, the Dry Air Guy. Today I'm at Burnouts Classics and Collisions, 5100 West Remus Road, Mount Pleasant, Michigan, with owner Briar Mercer. Briar specializes in restoring classic cars and trucks. In this video, I asked Briar about his experience installing RTI Aircom blue aluminum piping. Today I'm at Burnouts Classics and Collisions with Briar Mercer. And Briar just had a complete air system put into his new shop here. And Briar, tell us, how was the experience for you?
It was great. The blue aluminum pipe is definitely the next newest technology, and it seems to be working good. The fittings seal up really nice. It was actually fairly simple to put together. I did it all myself, and wasn't all that bad. It was a little more than I thought it was going to be in the beginning, but once we started going through it, it really wasn't too bad to put together. And it's a pretty good size air system. I think we have, how many drops do you think we have?
You got at least 10 or 15
at least
drops?
10 to 15 drops in there, and we got the air drying system.
Yeah, and you've got a really nice Perf 55 HD. It's a full shop Desiccant regenerative dryer that puts you at a very, very low moisture level, down less than 1% compressed air humidity. And so compared to what was here when you got here?
Yes, we're definitely top notch. So.
All right. Well, I really appreciate it, Brian.
All right, thank you.
You bet. Bye. So, when you started doing this, you couldn't just do it all at once.
No, we had another compressor going, so we were able to set our complete air system up in between jobs, and I kind of would tackle it between paint a car, and then I would half a day maybe stick with the air system, and I would put more up. And so it took a good 2 to 3 weeks, but I set all of it up and measured everything out, cut all the pipe myself, ran all the air lines. It was definitely user-friendly.
Very simple to put together just by hand.
Took a little time measuring and cutting, but it definitely was easy. They're easier than what I did. So.
Yeah, good. And would you recommend this to other body shops that want to upgrade?
Yep, this is a great system, and it looks like it's the wave of the future.
The cooling loop takes place of an aftercooler after the air compressor. In this case, there was no aftercooler, so the cooling loop was essential to be able to drop the temperature of the compressed air. As we go down the pipe, the next thing that we will be seeing is a Y strainer just above that T. And then just below the T, there's a TD5 automatic float drain that will drain the water out of the system. At this point, the air will flow into the dual stage filter. The first stage is stainless steel mesh that helps eliminate all the water in that air system. The second stage is a coalescing filter that removes all the oil to 0.01 microns. Next in line is the regenerative Desiccant air drying system on the left, where the arrow was pointing to. This system will remove moisture down to less than 1% compressed air humidity. What that equals out to is like minus 40 pressure dew point. So very, very dry air, phenomenal for painting. All right, I'm excited to talk to you about why I like this product so much, the blue aluminum piping. It's a phenomenal product. It's clean, it stays clean, it's easy to use. I've got several contractors using this product, and they said they would never go back to black iron pipe or galvanized because this is so much more user-friendly, much more profitable for them using this product. So there's a few simple parts that you use. Use a wheel cutter for cutting this pipe. The wheel cutter goes over and basically spin around the pipe, cuts it off. Once it's cut off, you've got a small burr on the inside, and then you use a tool like this, a deburring tool that goes on the inside, and it deburrs that, makes it clean, and then you've got a pipe bracket that holds this pipe out from the wall, like that. next piece is this is a nipple socket, and this is what connects to a filter or an air compressor or something like that. When you put this on, it's very simple. You've got 3 pieces here. You've got your nut, which slides over first. Then you've got your Chinese finger, which slides over next. And then you've got a snugging ring. And then you put this piece in, and the inside is an O-ring. You always take the O-ring and roll it over the end like this, so that it does not get cut. Don't just push into it, the O-ring. There's a good chance you'll cut the O-ring. So I just roll it on for about a half an inch, and then I push it into the fitting, and then slide all the pieces together and tighten them up like this, and it's just hand tighten. It's that simple. So other products would be the 90-degree elbow. You'll use a lot of 90-degree elbows as you go out through the shop and you make transitions and change angles and go down into filters, go around corners and things like that. T's are a big thing that are used because as you go out through the shop, you want to create a loop in your shop, and then sometimes you want to either drop off and go down to a drop, or maybe you want to create a bisecting part in your loop. So this is what is used for that. So there's not a whole lot of parts that are needed. It's just very simple to work with. Lightweight, easy to use, everybody loves it. So just to recap why I made this video, adding RTI blue aluminum piping to your shop can lower your downtime, increase productivity, and greatly enhance the quality of your refinish projects. If your current shop piping was run in black iron or galvanized pipe, chances are you have rust and corrosion in your air lines. Rust will ruin drain valves, spray guns, tools, not to mention ruin a good paint job. The cleaner your piping is, the better your paint jobs will look. If you're interested in a free shop air assessment, contact me at Greg, G-R-E-G, at dryair, spelled D-R-I-A-I-R.com. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.